Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to forward park between two cars on a two-lane road. So let's get started. When parking to the left side, slow down and signal left to alert others. Check for oncoming traffic and wait until it's safe. Keep about 4 to 6 feet from the parked cars. As your left mirror passes the first line of the parking space, turn your steering wheel fully to the left and move in. Once your car is straight inside the space, straighten the wheel and stop. Always prioritize safety. Don't rush, especially with oncoming traffic. And now, when parking to the right side, slow down and signal right. Stay in your lane and keep about 4 to 6 feet from the parked cars. As your right mirror passes the first line of the parking space, turn your steering wheel fully to the right and move into the spot. Once the car is straight, straighten the wheel and stop. This is easier since you don't have to deal with oncoming traffic. And that's how you forward park on both sides of a two-lane road. Remember to always check traffic, go slow and stay safe.